going to teach you how to put a quick release tire back on your bike. Now, give me a second. So basically, you're going to need this to get on there. So basically, you're going to need your brake rotors, these things, to line up in there. I needed 2 hands for this, so I had to put you right back down. So you're going to want to line this piece up and this piece up with these little tong things. And then you got to get your brake rotor lined up in there. So let's do that right now. Let's try to do it. Keep slipping. It might be easier to do this on the ground, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Hey, didn't I turn you off? I have sourced my problem. I had put this side on this side, but it has to go on the opposite side. So let's do this. So you gotta fit it in. There. See? I told you. Now we gotta hold this piece on this side and then tighten the piece on this side. Yeah. It's gonna take a minute. Boom. There we go. Here, I'll show you what it looks like from that side, like closer, you know? So, fit in the brakes there, and then that fit like right here in the little opening there, and this side fit there. Nice. Don't you just love biking? So basically, it's the same thing to take it off, but just opposite. But I'll show you on the bike stand. All right, got it back on the bike stand. So, to take it off, you gotta hold this still, and then pull this lever down, and then loosen it. Nice. And then you have your wheel off. Quick and easy. Whee! Alright, see ya. Psych. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm new and I need subscribers, please. Join the OG gang so I can get 100. Please.